So what we're looking at here today is a Casablanca Delta II. I got this off of OfferUp for only $25, and I believe, if I recall correctly, it is from September 19th of 1988, and it was the 35th fan made on that particular day. And since this one's from 1988, it has the pointed blade tips, unlike my polished brass Delta II, which is from 1991 and has rounded blade tips. And it also has a 4-5 flywheel, which means you can install it with either 5 or 4 blades, and obviously I chose to install it with 4. Here's the 5th blade. So almost everything on it is original. The only thing not original is the LCA that I got off of my antique brass Panama. And the reason I put it on the LCA is because the wire for the light was cut, and I want to put a light on this someday, so I figured I would put it on LCA so that I could be able to use a light on it. But yeah, not much else to really say about it. It's just a typical Delta II. Anyway, here's low. Medium. And now for high. And of course, like any Casablanca from this time period, it absolutely hauls ass on high. And there you have it. That is my antique brass Casablanca Delta II, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.